My name is Emily Delbacaro, and I'm one of the co-founders of OpenField, which is an organizing platform which helps communities build power one conversation at a time. My co-founder Ari and I have spent the past 15 years as field data directors and technologists, and have experienced firsthand how outdated technology can hamper the effectiveness of a campaign. OpenField provides a suite of organizing tools built for community organizers, giving them the necessary infrastructure they need to win. But far too often, our existing software proves to be more of a hindrance than a help in effective community organizing. We have aimed to change that by building out software for this generation of leaders and focusing on supporting what is most effective for them. We provide all of the elements needed for an effective outreach campaign, typically found in different places of software, and put them in the palm of one person's hand. We do this through relational organizing, allowing you to easily reach out to friends and family, build relationships, and encourage them to take action. Through canvassing, where we empower canvassers by allowing them to check out their own turf and get out on the doors without having to go to a centralized office or wait for a field director to assign a packet. This is all possible through our auto turf cutter, which takes into account busy streets and unique geographies to provide easily walkable and accessible turfs. We are also able to launch virtual phone banks in the same interface, allowing volunteers to seamlessly switch between canvassing and calls without having to train on a new app. And finally, we are able to register voters and request VBMs in person or over the phone using the natural voter registration application. This process is tracked every step of the way, and you are able to notify the registrant as soon as their application hits the Secretary of State's office. Across all of these touch points, OpenField allows for the capture of open-ended notes, meaning you can have richer, more in-depth conversations with those that you come across, whether they are on your list or not. And we are able to analyze all of these conversations using natural language processing, which powers our real-time dashboards, providing the insight you need to be successful. But does this work? Our previous customer, the Working Families Party, was able to launch over the course of a weekend last year in the US Senate runoffs. They were able to, we were able to cut 2.7 million targets into walkable turf in under 2.5 hours, saving their team over 270 hours in administrative time. Sorry, we were able to cut the turf in under 2.5 hours. And we are currently powering groups whose work centers on community building and school reform, as well as vaccine outreach and education. In just 1 year, we have grown 300% and have been active in all 50 states. We have a national contract with the Working Families Party, as well as contracts with Mi Familia Vota, Stacey Abrams' New Georgia Project, amongst others. And we were recently awarded Best SaaS Company by Campaigns and Elections. We work with progressive and nonpartisan groups, powering local city council races, all the way up to national party infrastructures and everyone in between. And we would love to work with you. Thank you.